Okay, now I feel like myself. Good, beautiful day, Oyinkan here, and today we are talking about... Okay, first of all, I don't even feel like using products that are not black owned right now. I'm gonna be very real with you. I really don't. But for the sake of the fact that I already purchased this ABH palette a while ago and it took way too long to be delivered to me from Sephora, I'm going to still review the palette, but I'm doing it with a twist. I'm comparing the ABH palette. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm gonna compare it to the Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette. So let's open this baby up and let's see what it's looking like. It's so pretty in pink. It's pretty. That's the thing, it's just like pretty. So I'm still gonna review it because I spent my own hard-earned coin on this already, like a couple of weeks ago or so. This is she. So it comes with 25 shades and it retails for $60. I already reviewed the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette before. I'm gonna link that review in the iCards, but this one comes with 28 shades for $25. So this is less than half the price of ABH Norvina. So we're gonna see which one is better than which. What I love most about this is that even though it's not black owned, this is a collaboration with a Nigerian creative, Patricia Bright. We must support her. So you guys already know I've been watching Patricia Bright since I was like in college, yada yada yada. She's amazing. So we gotta support our girl. We gotta support our people. Okay? I'm excited to go through this. Let me just prime my face, prime my lids, get my brows together, and I'll be right back. Okay? Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe and all that good stuff. And do you know? So I put some foundation on and my brows are did, honey. We are gonna go into, let me look at the Norvina palette. I'm sure you guys have seen swatches. I'm not gonna swatch it because this palette came out weeks ago and I'm sure you've seen a ton of videos about swatches, etc, etc. It comes with some glitters, and the cool part, because when I saw this palette, I was like, oh my gosh, it looks like the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette, just a little bit. Like, I know it's not the exact same thing. I know it's not, but it's very, very similar. Like, it's similar enough for me to be like, is this a dupe? like is Patricia Bright's palette a dupe, basically? Or the other way around, is this one the dupe for the Patricia Bright? But isn't dupe the cheaper one? I don't know, girl. Pink glitter is similar to, like, you know? And it's the same consistency as the Patricia Bright one. And then there's like a white glitter, which is kind of cool, actually. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute! Girl! This is pretty! Wait! Girl, it's like holographic or something. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that, but it's so pretty. Wait, and this is the pink. This is E3, the pink. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This holographic one that oh my, is it holographic or what's the other term? I don't know. This is E2. Oh my gosh, this feels good. Let me see what this pink one is looking like though. It's very pigmented. Their mattes are pigmented. Like, this is the pink. This is A3, which is also just like, A3 looks like Taste the Rainbow in the Patricia Bright palette. Taste the Rainbow. So this is Taste the Rainbow in Patricia Bright, and this is A3 in the ABH Norvina Volume 4 palette. Wow. Girl, this is nice. I low-key feel rich. A $60 palette always makes me feel rich. They took my coins. Yo, this really looks alike. They both have the purples. So this is Wifey in the Patricia Bright palette. This is Wifey. This is so big. This is E4 in ABH. You basically can create the same look with both palettes. That's what I feel like. You can create the same look. My face, I have Fenty Beauty foundation on my face. Just kept it real simple. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm gonna create the same look. One side of my face is going to be ABH. The other side of my face is gonna be Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette, and we're just gonna get right into it. This is the Rich in Color palette. Matter of fact, let me get my brushes together because I don't want to mix the brushes. I have multiples of same brushes. This is going to be my ABH brush. This is Patricia Bright. I'm gonna put ABH over here so I can remember. I'm gonna put Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright over here so I can remember. Oh, don't fall. Stay right there. Don't fall. Get my brushes together, honey. Let me get my brushes together, honey. Let me get my brushes together, honey. We're doing a very pinky look today. gonna start off with, very excited. I don't know why I'm so hyped. And they both have yellows. You see this D2? This yellow, this D2. It's a little more on the neon side of yellow than the Patricia Bright palette, but this is, it kind of looks like vitamin C in Patricia Bright. I want to play in yellow. I want to do pinky. I feel pinky, and this is so pink, pink, pink. So I'm gonna do pinky. What are we gonna hit the crease with? The D5 from the ABH Norvina Volume 4 palette, and then I'm gonna go into All Spice from the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette. Let's do it. Fallout. I know you see that, but you know, it is what it is. Very big mirror, my goodness. Oh wow. I hope this doesn't crease fast, girl. Okay, and I'm picking up another brush. Yes, I know it looks the same, but I have a bunch of these brushes. Trust me. They're by e.l.f., by the way. Look up e.l.f. blending brush. I'm gonna link it below. It's the e.l.f. blending brush. So I'm gonna go into Patricia Bright, which is on this side. I'm gonna go into All Spice, Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. You see how it's like basically about the same color? I can't wait to edit this video. I'm gonna have so much fun editing this video. I haven't reviewed a palette in so long, girl. You know what I want to start buying? Beauty Bakery. I never bought Beauty Bakery before, and I really want to start buying Beauty Bakery. I like her. Like I followed them on Instagram for 50 kajillion years. I have not bought anything because I'm always so mesmerized by Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath. I want some Pat McGrath. And Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty. God. Once my money goes there, I'm like, well, I forgot that any other brand exists. My makeup money literally goes to Pat McGrath, Fenty Beauty, and whatever black person is collabing with a company, I'll just buy that too. And that's literally where my makeup money goes. And then I forget about all the other companies. I just wanted to try Mented Cosmetics. Like there's like Colored Rain. Like I've always wanted to try those brands, but I literally just forget. But those are companies that you should give a try. They're black owned. Shout out to our people. They're black owned, yo. For real. Okay, for the corners. I want to go real dark for the corners. I'm gonna go into E4. It has so much fallout. I'm being gentle with the palette, so it does like, I'm a rough girl. I'm being more gentle than usual, so it doesn't have that much fallout. Let's just say that. So I'm just gonna go in the corners, hit that, boom cat, boom ba doom ba doom boom, boom diddy doom ba doom ba doom boom, ha doom diddy dee dee dee. That's pretty. Pretty. I'm here for her. She's pretty. And I'm gonna go into wifey. Haters wanna fight me. That's not even a song. I just made that up. Haters wanna fight. Like what haters? What are you talking about, girl? But wifey right over here. We out here making up songs. I'm telling you guys, I can make anything into a song. I want to give you very pink. Like I want to give you pink, pink, pink. Pink-a-ding-ding-ding. So I'm gonna go into. They both have two hot pinks. Like Patricia Bright has Fruit Punch and this pink's poppin'. Ooh, this pink's poppin'. Stop it. Big things poppin'. Little things stoppin'. Big things poppin'. Little things stoppin'. Big things poppin'. Oh no, it has multiple hot pinks in here. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to see which one is the most similar so I could play in her. Things poppin'. Little things stoppin'. You know when you have small boobs, so when you try to shake them, they don't shake. This is me every time. Yes, God, for giving me small boobs. Exactly what I needed, girl. I was like, God, give me small boobs. He was like, all right, girl. All right. Okay, we're gonna do Fruit Punch with Patricia Bright, and then we're gonna do E5 with the ABH palette. You guys know I like to use my finger. Oh, this is mad pigmented, yo. I don't think I even swatched it yet. But it doesn't look that pigmented on my skin. But let's see how it looks on the lid, because the lid has a primer. It's decent. I'm not like gagging over it. It only looks good on the light parts of my body. It only looks good on my palm, but like not on my brown skin. It's probably just gonna take a lot of layering up, you know? My goodness. It's pretty though. Wow, that's like, it's a pretty shade. Can't even hold you, it's pretty. Snack break, I need a snack. Give me a minute. That thing is popping. Like it pops. Like it literally pops out at you. Big things popping, little things stopping. Big things popping, little things stopping. Big things popping, little things stopping. Now we can go into Fruit Punch. It's not as pigmented as the ABH palette. Oh wait, but it shows up right away. I take that back, because it shows up just as much as the ABH palette shows up, so what's the difference? I've been filming so much that I feel like at this point I have no friends. YouTube is my friend. Because I can barely even like talk on the phone long with my friends. I'm like, oh, I gotta go film. I have an obligation to fulfill to the people. And then to blend, I gotta add more. I'm gonna go into a lighter pink for the ABH palette, E1. Oh wow, that's like baby pink. Wait a minute, that's more pigmented than I expected. I didn't expect that much. Just wanted a little do 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 in the middle. Just a little do 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 do. And then I'm gonna go into this pink's poppin', little things stoppin'. This pink's poppin', little things stoppin'. In the Patricia Bright palette. You can literally create the same look with these palettes. If you don't have money, well, let's see, because I don't even know yet. Now for some shimmers. I need a snack before shimmer. I'm gonna do A2. A2 for shimmer on this side. Wow, she's pretty. Does this even look? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm gonna go into Love Song, Patricia Bright palette. I like Love Song better than A2. They need a better pink shimmer in the ABH palette. I like the consistency of Love Song better than the consistency of A2. I think I'm giving you Hot Mess right now. Doesn't look right. I'm trying to figure out how to fix it. Maybe? No, because this is actual glitter. I don't even know how to fix it. I don't like it. But at least they look similar. But I'm not crazy about it. I don't know what to do. I don't like it. Maybe it'll look better later on. I'll fix it later. For eyeliner, let's see if there's a color I can do. There's no dark color in here that I can use for eyeliner. You know I like to use shadow as my eyeliner. So, maybe if I go into E4. Oh, maybe if I play with the pinks to use as liner. Is that gonna look bad? Let's do it. Let's be creative. E5. I'm scared, but let's do it. E5 as the liner. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? This could look really ugly, and that's okay because God is good, amen. Oh, I think after I conceal and set and put lashes on, this is gonna look bomb. Like, I'm gonna be looking like, imagine I have like my personal wind machine hitting me like, whoosh, 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 whoosh. Just imagine that, imagine that. Okay, so my camera stopped recording when I was doing this liner situation. Looking at my mirror right over here. I'm going to do my concealer. I already put it on, but I'm gonna like, you know, blend it, set it with Pat McGrath and Fenty, do my lashes, and be right back. Because this video is all about the eyeshadow. You don't want to see me do concealer, setting, and all that stuff, do you? And if you do, you can watch my other videos, okay? So I want to be super duper 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 pink in my bottom line lash, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna go into C2 for my bottom lash. I don't know if I've used that yet. I've taken a break. I forgot. I don't know, girl. We're about to try it out. Came on really easily. That wasn't too bad. I'm gonna mix Fruit Punch and this Pink's Poppin'. I'm just gonna mix them together. It's a lot. And put that in my bottom lash for this eye. Touch up this eye because it looks a little dull next to Fruit Punch. I'm gonna go into the Pat McGrath mascara. First time I tried this, I wasn't too crazy about it, but I'm using it again. I wanna try the Fenty mascara. It's not that bad, actually. I think after several coats, then it will be something like, I don't know what to do for the inner corner. Maybe purple. Birthday Cake in Patricia Bright, and then do C4. Let's see. C4. I think I want it to shimmer. I like my inner corners to shimmer, so put a little bit of A2 in there. Just a little touch of A2, just so that purple can shimmer. See, that looks better already. The brush is clean. I'm gonna go into Birthday Cake. I don't think I've used this Birthday Cake yet. And a Love Song right over that. Give it to me. Ha, ha, ha. Give it to me. Ha, ha, ha. Give it to me. Ha, 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 ha. 2 steps to the right now. Ha, ha, ha. Give it to me. TikTok songs are always stuck in my head. Highlighter. Highlighter. I think I'm gonna go with, forget them. My favorite highlighter, Fenty Beauty What a Brat. Like, how do you wear pink and not do Fenty Beauty What a Brat? Like, are you crazy? You have to. Ugh. You have to. It's so good. Oh, this is so good. Ugh. I'll leave you lonely. What am I gonna do for the brow bone? I'm gonna go into the Pat McGrath Quad for my brow bone, using this gold color right over here. Lips, I'm gonna go with Unveil, and this is Pat McGrath. This is like a mini, like good for travel, but I think I have the bigger one to this too. It's called Omi, and it's like a dusty pink, pretty goodness. I can't even. Mauve. This is nice. Yeah, that's pretty. It's very pretty. The face is done. My shimmer's disappeared. Wait. Now that I'm finished with both eyeshadows, I can give my consensus. Honestly, the glitter that I put on top, the shimmer that I put on top over here is creasing a little bit. I don't know if you can even see that. See how the shimmer over here doesn't have a crease in it? This one has like a little crease in it. I'm not sure why. And this is the ABH Norvina 4 palette. It's Norvina 4 palette. Is it Norvina or Norvana? Norvina. I don't know why that's happening, because the one on this side, the Patricia Bright one, isn't doing that. So they're both very pigmented, but and these colors are really pretty, they really are. But I feel like this is like less than half the price. And if all you can afford is the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette, I would not think that I don't feel like you're missing out on much with this. I really don't. Like, they have almost the same, not as much shimmers, but like you can do the same look that you do with this one. You definitely can. They both have yellows, they both have purples, they both have pinks. They both have pink shimmers. You don't need to get the ABH palette. You can get this one for less than half the price and you can still slay, okay? And not have a problem with your pigmentation and stuff. This is a good palette, it is. I just don't know why my shimmer is creasing. That's weird, but other than that, it's a good palette. It's good like to keep, but you don't need to spend $60. You don't need to spend $60 when you can spend, what is it, $28, $25? Like, you don't need to do that. And get similar results. That's important. The fact that it gives similar results, it's like, all right, come on, you don't need it. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and check out all my videos. I'm doing a series of Black-owned, a lot of things. Black-owned makeup, Black-owned fashion, Black authors, Black this, Black that. So check out that series, and I love you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. All right, bye guys. Oh, make sure you subscribe and all that good stuff. Check out my other videos right over here. Okay. Bye guys.